Welcome to the third part in this series of how to obtain a driving license in Malta. So you are coming to work or live in Malta and you already have a driving license in, let's talk about from anywhere in the world for now. Please do not take this information as concrete information. I'm only trying to help here from my experience, because your situation might be different and things might change. So the best place to go for accurate information would be the Authority for Transport in Malta. So let's start from people coming to Malta from EU and they already have a driving license and they are going to work or live here. That's quite simple and straightforward. You go to the Authority for Transport in Malta and exchange your driving license to a Maltese one, which is, by the way, European. If you are coming from a country like Switzerland or Australia, if I'm not mistaken, the last time I checked, it was a few months ago, the only two arrangements that we have in Malta for someone to transfer a license without doing any tests, because if you are in EU and have a driving license, you don't need to go through the testing procedure. The only two countries that are outside of EU, because although Switzerland is in the economic area of EU, it's not part of the European Union. If you come from Switzerland or Australia, you can exchange your license without going through the testing procedure. So those are cleared. We spoke about EU, Switzerland and Australia. If you come from any country other than those two, Australia and Switzerland, or out of European Union, let's say USA or South Africa, whichever place is outside EU, not Australia and not Switzerland, you can drive in Malta with an international permit from your country for 1 year. When that year has passed, you should do a driving license procedure in Malta. And by that I mean you would need to do the full procedure. Over here I'm linking for the first video which I explained this procedure. Also I'm linking right now to the second video where it explains what requirements you need if you are a foreigner to do a driving license in Malta. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer. But always remember, please, for accurate information, the best place to check is the Authority for Transport in Malta, actually, I would prefer to say check the law of Malta for driving licenses, because the law is the law and that should be the most accurate place to check the latest one. Thank you for now and enjoy driving in Malta. Bye.